everyone, welcome back to the LipstickHolic's YouTube channel. I'm Huda Naveed and I'm here with another amazing video for you girls, and this is a makeup tutorial which I'm sure you are going to love. I'll be sharing a tutorial on the look that I'm currently wearing, so let's just get to the video and see how I created this look. Okay, so I have already applied the foundation, and the foundation that I have used is Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation in shade Fair. And now I'm going to start doing my brows, and the product that I'm using for brows is Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in color dark brown, and it's a really nice brow pomade and I'm loving it actually. I'm using the same brush that comes with this brow pomade, and I'm gently applying this pomade in short and gentle strokes to shape and fill my eyebrows. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural as an eye base. To blend it, I'm using Sigma Beauty Precision Flat Angled Brush P88. I'm taking this gorgeous shade from Makeup Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief Mattes palette, and I'll be applying it in my crease and at the outer corner of my eyes, blending it in slightly. To apply and blend this shade, I'm using Sigma Beauty E38, their diffused crease brush, which is one of my favorite brushes for eye makeup application, especially for crease. Next, we'll be taking this deep mauve sort of shade from Morphe 35F palette, and I'll be applying it gently on the center of my eyelid, blending it towards the outer corner. To apply it, I'm using Sigma Beauty E45 small tapered blending brush. Don't worry about the fallout from the eyeshadow because it can be easily cleaned with your favorite makeup remover or cleanser using a Q-tip gently once you are done with your eye makeup. Taking the same diffused crease brush again, I'm gently blending the colors together, sort of blending them in for a nice smooth effect. Now we are going to take this gorgeous shimmery pink color from Morphe 35F palette, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, blending it all the way towards the center to complete my eye look. Next, I'm taking Sigma E37 all over blend brush and blending all the colors in for a nice smooth effect. Make sure to blend any harsh lines, any corners that you feel should be blended for a nice smooth look. Next, I'm applying a Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C6 to conceal my dark circles and also to clean out any of the remaining fallout from the eyeshadow. I'm blending the concealer once again with Sigma Beauty Precision Flat Angled Brush P88, which is great to do this job. I'm once again taking the same matte shade from Makeup Revolution palette that I applied in my crease earlier, and I'm applying it on the lower part of my eyes just below the lash line to complete the eye look. Now using this first shimmery shade from Morphe 35F to highlight my brow bones, and this looks super gorgeous and is really shimmery. I like it. I'm using Color Studio Professional Kohl Addict pencil in black to line my eyes. Time to apply mascara and some lashes, and the lashes that I'm wearing are from AliExpress and I absolutely love these. Next, I'm applying a Makeup Obsession Banana Powder C111 all over my face. You can use your favorite face powder for this step, or any banana powder or any other powder that you feel suits you the best. This banana powder is my current favorite face powder and I love it. Using e.l.f. contour palette to contour my cheekbones. Make sure to blend it well and not to overdo it. For blusher, I'm using Sleek Makeup blush in shade Pixie Pink, and I'm applying it gently on the apple of my cheeks, gently blending it outwards. For highlighting, I'm using the first shade from Ultra Pro Glow palette by Makeup Revolution, and this shade is absolutely gorgeous. For lips, I'm applying ColourPop Ultra Matte Lips in shade Clueless, which is a beautiful muted mauve pink sort of shade and is looking really nice with this eye look. And lastly, I'm using Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Makeup Fixing Spray to fix and set my makeup. Okay, so here is the complete look. I have shown all the products I have used in this video to create this look, and I'll be leaving the names of the products in the description box below too for your ease. If you like this video, don't forget to leave your lovely comments, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And yes, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of my videos. You'll be seeing me very soon on another video on the TheLipstickholic YouTube channel. Till then, take care and goodbye.